A public school prepares packed meals for its feeding program. On the first day, 120 meals are prepared. Because more learners join each day, the number of meals increases by 5 meals daily. How many meals are prepared in total from the 10th day through the 25th day? Let's write first the given. On the first day, 120 meals. So that is A sub 1 equals 120. 5 more meals. Common difference is 5. But what is the question? The question is just from the 10th day. So that is just A sub 10 plus A sub 11 up to A sub 25. So it's not from A sub 1. So how do we do this? Notice that S sub 25 is A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3, A sub 4, A sub 5, A sub 6, up to A sub 25. And their difference, what is the difference of the two? This and this. Notice that in this, the first one, we don't have A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, up to A sub 9. So that is, we remove the A sub 1 up to, or the sum of A sub 1 up to A sub 9, which is actually S sub 9. A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3, only up to A sub 9. So if we remove this S sub 9 from S sub 25, then we will get the A sub 1 plus A sub 10 plus A sub 11 up to A sub 25. So what we're really looking for here is S sub 25 minus S sub 9. That will give us the total number of meals prepared from the 10th day to the 25th day. So first, let us solve for S sub 25. So again, the formula is S sub n equals n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So for S sub 25, we have 25 over 2 times 2 times 120 is the a sub 1 plus 25 minus 1 times d, which is 5. So 25 over 2 times, that's 240. Then 24 times 5 is 120. So this is 25 over 2 times 360. We can cancel the 2 with 360 and have 180. 180 times 25, 40, carry 4, 9, 16, carry 1, 3. That's 4,500. So 4,500 is the S sub 25. How about S sub 9? S sub 9 equals 9 over 2 times 2 times 120 plus 9 minus 1 times 5. So 9 over 2 times 240 plus 8 times 5 is 40. So 9 over 2 times 280 can cancel. That will give us 140 times 9, 36, carry 3, 1,260. So now for the S sub 25 minus S sub 9, that will give us 4,500 minus 1,260, which is 0, 4, 2, 3. 3,240. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!